Imagine a creature you thought was gone forever suddenly appearing again. Today, we explore the surprising stories of butterflies, like the black-veined white and the Xerces blue, that vanished from history books but may still be alive thanks to new evidence and conservation efforts. Let's start with the black-veined white butterfly, which disappeared from Britain in the early 20th century due to habitat loss. However, conservationists are now reintroducing them at the Knepp Estate in West Sussex, one of the UK's most famous rewilding sites, and early signs suggest this effort is actually working. But it isn't just about bringing back known species. Scientists are also discovering entirely new ones. A study published in May 2025 confirmed that an imprint found in 1988 in Hyogo Prefecture, Japan, belongs to a large butterfly wing of a species completely new to science. We also have the tragic story of the Xerces blue, the first American insect driven to extinction by human activities. Last seen in San Francisco's coastal dunes in the early 1940s after urban development destroyed its home, researchers analyzed DNA from a HWSSEAF 93-year-old specimen in 2021 to understand its genetic legacy. In Florida, the Atala butterfly faced a similar crisis before disappearing from the wild. Experts like Hugel have dedicated years to using native plants in gardens to coax wildlife back, proving that habitat restoration is a powerful tool for reversing extinction trends. These cases highlight a critical turning point. The line between extinct and rediscovered is thinner than we thought. Whether through rewilding projects like Knepp or deep analysis of ancient DNA, we are learning how to listen to nature again. The most impressive fact is that the fossil discovered in Japan represents a species new to science, meaning nature holds secrets we are only just beginning to uncover. Discovery challenges our historical records and offers hope for future conservation successes. So there you have it. Nature is more resilient than we gave it credit for. What extinct species would you most like to see return? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more deep dives into environmental science.